So today we are going to see some concept with the try catch. Okay, try catch means it's a nothing. If you get any error, you will ask system what needs to be done. The best example for that, I'll have select star from. Okay, or else I'll have select 100 divided by 0. When I execute this query, I get an error. Okay, query completed with errors. But my scenario is, if we get an error, I should still want my query to complete it successful. But I should get an error message printed. I should get some error message printed. Okay. So what you can do in the SQL Server, you'll have try, begin try. You'll have begin try. And after this, you'll have a code. Whatever code you'll have a code here. Then you'll have end try. And then you'll have begin catch. Same like in the Java also you'll have the same thing. You'll have code. Okay, you'll have some code. Then you'll have end catch. Now here, what will happen when you write begin try? Oh wait. Okay. Okay. So what will happen here? Whatever code you want to write, you'll write it in this code. In this between begin and try. Okay. Begin, try, and between that you'll write all your code. If there is any error in that code, what will happen now? This code will execute. If there is any error in this, then this will execute. If there is no error, nothing. This will execute and this will be ignored. Okay. Now let's see the same thing for this. Now when you see the example, then you'll know. Select 100 by 0. Okay. Now I'll write print error. Okay. This is the system defined variable. Now see, I don't have any error. See, it says my query got successfully executed, but I'll get an error message print. This is error message 838134. If I go to Google and search for 8314, yeah, it's showing some SAP stuff. (8314) in SQL Server. Yep, you got it here. I just want to show you that basic definition for each one. What is error code? It's a 8134. Sorry, I kept 8314, 8134. That's the reason we didn't get 8134. See, divided by 0, error encountered. Okay, so this is a way how I can overpass the failure. What I will do, I'll write begin and try. Whatever, see, if there is any error in the beginning try, generally see now when I execute this, what will happen? My package will fail. Okay, like my process will fail, saying that divided by 0, it's an error. See, you can see query completed with error. But what I want to do is that if I get any error, then I want to capture that error message, but still I want to run my process successful. Here what will happen when you use this begin and try, whatever the code you will have it in the begin and try, that code will execute. After that, if there is any error in the code, then this catch block will execute. If there is no error in the try block, then whatever this catch block will not execute. This will only execute when you will have the error in this try block. Try block means between begin and try, whatever code you write, that is under one block. Now if I write select one, execute this. I'll write one here, print catch block. Now here I'll write print try block. If I execute this, because there is no error, when you see in the message you got only try block, catch block is not shown. Yeah, I'll let you know. And if I have 1 by 0, then catch block will execute. See, you'll have the catch block here. Okay, when you have error, then only catch block will execute. So this one we are going to use often. Basically, when do you use this? So let's say I have executed some process and the process got failed. I don't know what is error message at that time. Then you'll use a try catch block, saying that if there is any error, you don't want to fail the process, but you want to capture that error message. Okay, for doing that, you'll have this process kept. Now see the best example for this. I'll create a procedure here. Create procedure TST test. I'll write here select select 1 by 0. Go. I have created the procedure. Okay. Now what I am going to do? I am going to call the procedure here. In this window, I'll call the procedure. What I'll do? Execute test. Then I'll get an error. My procedure is not at all filthy. I get an error. But now, instead of that, if I have this code written, it is the existing one, right? So I'll alter. If I execute this, the code will successfully completed, and then I'll get a error message print. Why you will have this issue is that when do you need is sometimes what scenario what you might be facing is that you will be running multiple process. Okay, you will be writing multiple queries. You will write one query, you will write two query, three query, four query, five query. What your assumption is that if one query fails, you don't want others to stop. Generally, what happens if you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? If you have error at one step, that's it. That process will stop. That will not execute this other process. But what my requirement is that if there's any error in one step and if it is failed, what I want to is that I don't want to fail this step. I want to complete it as a successful and capture that error message. And then the same thing I'll do for others. So everything is not related. Even though one fails, it will not allow you to fail. It will just capture the error message. Generally, what people do, they will have some tables created. They will have some table created or create table error log. Error log. And they will have the ID with the table name or else the procedure name, which procedure you are doing, or else I write SP name, P name. Okay, where error code, E code. Okay, and it is of, I'll name it as a where only 20. I'll close this. Now what I'll do inside the catch block, I'll go insert into error log table. I'll give the values here directly. I'll give the values here. What value I'll giving is okay. I'll give the values as this as the first one column is the P name, procedure name is test. Then error message. Done. And I'll also do the dynamic stuff here. At the rate of A integer at the rate of b as integer. Now I'll do a by b. That's it. Now I'll execute the procedure. Incorrect syntax near your values. I'll alter the procedure. Now procedure altered. See now what will happen. I'll also have the test. I'll give 1 comma 2. Then I'll do select star from error log. Now you'll have no data in the error log. Okay. Test 1 to when I pass, that is successfully completed. So you'll not get any record here. See, you'll not get any record. But if I pass 1 comma 0, because 1 divided by 0, it's an error. But the procedure successfully completed. Now if I see the log, then it will throw and it will have the test pname and error code. Even I can add one more column to the table where I can have the time also. Okay. Alter error log, alter table, error log, add date or insert date or error date, date time. Good. So now I'll add one more column here, get date. I'll alter the procedure. I'll see the records in the table. Now I'll execute 1 0. It will throw an error. It will also capture the time when it was executed. See, are you able to get this point, guys? This is the way how you are going to use a try catch to catch some errors and to ignore the, to don't know if you don't want to fail the process, then you will use this one, try catch blocks.